Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. We just got another quick little mail call to do. I'm trying to get caught up on these guys so I can get my other videos out. But anyway, we've got a little package from, or a little envelope from Scrapping, Hoarding, and Tinkering Fun. And then we have a package from Coinman 5000, which I am pretty sure was my quarter win from him. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. Oh, cool. I'm going to have a whole rack full of coasters here shortly. I don't know if you guys can see that real good on this camera. Hopefully I'm recording this time. But that is a coaster from Scrapping, Hoarding, and Tinkering Fun. It says 13 of 50. So I'm going to put that over here with my coasters. And let's see what they... Alright. It says, Dear BYS, I mentioned in a live stream I was holding on to this until I mentioned it to you. Armando from the Vault wanted you to have it. Whether you like it or not, laugh out loud. So I hope you do. Cool. So evidently this went to Armando, and Armando sent it to me from what I understand from this. So thank you guys. Thank you both, Scrapping, Hoarding, and Tinkering Fun. Thank you, Armando, for sending it my way. I appreciate that. I will, as always, put links in the description area, and if I can work it out, you know, cards up here. Most of the time I can get it done. So that's from Scrapping, Hoarding, and Tinkering Fun by way of Armando from the Vault. So thanks guys, I appreciate that. And now let's see if this is, I think this is the first W quarter to hit the state of North Carolina. Everybody seems to be finding at least one or two. I have not found a single one. Not one. I haven't even seen one yet. So, he was doing a giveaway or a drawing for a Washington W quarter, and I got lucky and he drew me. So I got one of the new Marshall stickers that came with it. And a Coinman 5000 magnet, which will go on my safe. And a new Marshall magnet, which will go on my safe. I'm not even going to look at it yet, because I haven't seen a W stamped on one in real life yet. It says, congratulations, Backyard Scrapping. Thanks. Thank you very much for watching and liking my channel. Please feel free to share my channel and also show off your winnings. Glad you won, my friend, Coinman 5000. So this will go in the safe along with this card from Scrapping, Hoarding, and Tinkering Fun. And now let's look at this W. Awesome. So that's what a W looks like stamped on a quarter. Pretty freaking cool. It's the War in the Pacific. And guys, that is the first one that I have held and seen. Like I said, I don't know if they just didn't, if they banned them from North Carolina or what. I don't know. If any of you guys are from North Carolina, tell me if you found one, because I have not found one yet. That's awesome. Alrighty guys, I don't need to keep y'all more than, you know, I'm trying to cut my mail calls down, but no matter what, my videos are long. It just seems to work out that way. I appreciate all the stickers, the coasters, the magnets, guys. We love you, and we will see you all in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.